everyone, this is Sakura Yubi. Today I'm gonna show you a quick and easy way to make delicious miso soup, or what we Japanese call miso shiru. This is how I always make my miso soup at home, and I love my miso soup. It's so comforting and good for you. So let's get started. Okay, let's turn on the heat to medium and add water, dashi powder, and all the other ingredients except miso into a pot. We will add miso at the end. Feel free to use any ingredients you like for your miso soup. Vegetables, soybean products such as tofu and fried tofu, and seaweed are popular choices. Let's cook this on low heat for about 10 minutes or until the vegetables are soft. While the veggies are cooking, a lot of good flavors will come up from the dashi powder and give that depth to the soup. Now all the veggies are soft, let's go ahead and add miso. Miso will dissolve in the soup easily. We can stop the heat now. Check the flavor and add more miso according to your preference. And we're done. Let's serve and eat. This soup had such a deep flavor. So much flavor was coming from dashi and miso. And these vegetables, fried tofu, and seaweed complemented the soup perfectly and made it very satisfying. Now you know how to easily make delicious miso soup, so give it a try, okay? And that is it for today. Check out sakurayubi.com for the ingredient amounts. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe. It will mean the world to me. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!